What is going on, everybody? This is Shae Hansen from Wrench It Yourself. Brand new channel here. I mean, not technically brand new. I've been posting shorts for a little bit now, but no serious actual videos. So we're just going to go a little bit about myself and over this channel a little bit, and then we're going to get into this video. We're going to try to make this segment short because we also got a surprise in this video, and I'm super excited. It's going to be tomorrow. Let's just get into this. All right, so starters, my name is Shae Hansen. I'm from South Dakota. Raised in Nebraska, though. You know, went through school, yada, yada, yada. Once I got out of school, high school, you know, started working some jobs, and then I finally got into landscaping, which is most teens' first job, I would say, and then did that for about 3-4 years or something like that. Got into a few different other trades or just industries, and finally ended up within just the last year, got into the diesel field. I've been wrenching a little bit before that. I mean, I'd say at least since 18. I kind of started tinkering with my own things here and there. But I mean, I've always kind of done that as a kid, but like with vehicles, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, like I said, I've always just kind of had a tool in my hand or doing something, I'd say, productive. Yeah. And then within just the last year, I ended up at TA, was there for a full year. But they wanted to give me the boot, and I was already about to give them the boot. So they helped me, I helped them, whatever. Was there for a full year, learned a lot. I'm really, really into the diesel field. I mean, obviously I'll work on my own stuff, but I'm glad I did not get automotive. Super glad about that. Diesel field, love it. In the last year, I mean, I've gained so many tools. It's ridiculous. But I mean, I'd rather invest myself and not struggle, even though you can get away with bare minimum. But that's not me as a person. I like to have it. If it helps me 5 minutes, if it helps me 30 seconds faster, I'm getting that tool. I started out with this gray cart. Had it for about a year, I'd say, before I got into the diesel field. Build some tools, some sockets, rails, ratchets, yada, 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 power tools. Really started out with the drill. Mainly did that for ice fishing so I could use an auger. And boom, there went my power tool addiction. But yeah, so gray box started it out. And then we eventually, I think within 3 months of working TA, I went to the green box here to add on to size. And yeah, we're pretty much at max capacity right now. Let's get to the channel, what we're kind of doing with the channel. It's obviously going to be wrenching, R&Rs, remove and replace, how-tos, I mean, tinkering with stuff at home, fixing, building, DIY. I mean, maybe even just like kind of everyday stuff. Maybe like, I don't know. I really don't know yet. I have a lot of ideas, but at the moment my PC is down, so I can't really do big videos like an actual YouTube video. And also, speaking of brand new channel, what I mean by brand new channel is because I also do fishing content. So if you go check out Shae Hansen Fishing, I got a decent amount of subscribers, but subscriber count doesn't matter. I have a decent amount. It's got some traction, but I haven't been able to post. That's kind of what I'm getting at. I haven't been able to post videos in a minute. But go check that channel out. Go subscribe. You know, help your boy out. My computer's down. It's been down for about a year or so, so I can't really upload and edit videos because I was doing a lot of that. And I would be doing even more of that now with the wrenching. But still, I can't do really big videos. So I need to get that diagnosed, fixed, paid for, yada, yada, yada. Until then I'll be able to start doing like bigger, more videos. Cleaner quality videos, edited thumbnails. I mean, just the whole works. Because if you go check out that channel, you'd see the quality of videos that I would put out. Shae Hansen Fishing, by the way, go check that out. I just realized we have this in vertical, and I'm gonna switch it over to horizontal. Whatever. I'm not saying all that again. So we're continuing with it. That's the first video of this channel. It is what it is. All right, we're going to switch you to horizontal here in a second. I think I kind of described everything I want to do with this channel. I mean, pretty much all around with wrenching, obviously. And then I kind of want to do home stuff, DIY stuff. So I'll be on the lookout for stuff like that. I mean, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. I'm so bugged that that was in vertical that whole time, and I was looking at a vertical phone. I just didn't even realize it. So really, whatever. I think we just need to get to the. I was trying to make that segment shorter, but it is what it is. So let's get to this part. We're gonna make this even quicker because, should I say it? All right, I'm saying it. We got a new box. We got a new box from Cornwell. It's an 84-inch platinum, the special edition purple. It's got a custom wrapped power cabinet. I mean, this thing is sick. It's got a hutch. I'm getting it delivered tomorrow, so we'll have that tomorrow. So we're going to just go a quick just run through. We're not going to go specifics. We'll do specifics tomorrow when I continue and finish this video. I think let's do it. Let's get into it. All right, so the setup that we have currently until tomorrow. We're going to do this little quick rundown, run through. Show you guys what I got. Sockets, pry bars, ratchets, bits. Just random stuff and not random stuff. Pliers. Torque wrenches, extra wrenches, bits. Oil filter wrenches, big Knipex since we just got those. We're gonna be out probably about to here. Oh yeah, can't forget these. Yep, probably gonna be out to about here. So yeah. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna have this stuff gone, green box going home, gray's getting sold. We'll keep the cart here, you know, obviously. I'm very excited, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see this. And this is just a big step up into my mechanic journey. I'm thrilled. I'm so excited, guys. Let's go. All right, everybody. So we got the box coming. It is on the way. I can't wait for it to get dropped off. I'm so excited, guys. I can literally not wait anymore. I just need it here. I want to start organizing, getting everything transferred over into the Cornwell box. Oh, God, I'm so hyped, guys. I'll see you then when they're pulling up and ready to drop that off. See you guys then. All right, she's arrived. That's what I'm talking about, people. Let's go. Let's go. All right, the first one.
I'll put that one in first.
Yeah, let's go.
I didn't know. Let's get it.
This is a part of like a power drawer for power tools, whatnot. Come on, cameraman. Yeah, let's get this set over here. Yep. All right, there's fine for now. Cool. All right, let's get the other one in. Ooh, this is so exciting, man. So exciting. Woo! Can't wait to open up the first drawer.
That one?
Yeah, I didn't realize it was straight or fixed casters. I was trying to turn it.
Well, I don't know why you put the handle on this side for some purpose.
Yeah. I think they are.
They're all unlocked.
Yeah.
I knew we were found it.
Yeah. Yep. Woo-hoo.
All the way to
Yeah, just go to where we put that power cab. I'm the gray and the green right here, but I'm gonna get these out of the way. All right, yeah, that works. Just a little further down. I appreciate it.
jacket, man.
What's that?
What size are you wearing a jacket?
Large.
Large?
Large, yeah, yeah.
I'll get you a jacket.
Oh, dude, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir, man.
What about a hat too? Can we get a hat?
I'll get you a hat, too.
Sweet, appreciate it, man.
If you change your mind on that, let me know. Either way, that should have bolts to connect these
Right.
inside there.
Uh-huh.
You never fucking use this. If you open that up and look, it's brand new.
Yeah. Okay.
So if it's not in there, I'll get the bolts, and then you can mount it to whatever side you want.
Okay.
I
Cool.
thought he had this fucking thing mounted the whole time.
Yeah, I
He
thought so
never
too.
mounted it.
Oh, really? He just rolled it up and
Just
took some
stuck it
pictures.
next to it, yep, yep.
Oh, okay. Did the guy even use the box?
Barely. If you look at the box, look at this shit. Look at the mat.
Yeah.
It's brand
What
new.
the hell? That's crazy.
It's brand new. Needs a little white down and shit like that.
Right.
He's pretty mint.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Woohoo!
I'll text you. Yeah, see, he started setting it up and shit.
Uh-huh.
I think he was wanted to mechanic, you know.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But I checked her out pretty good.
And then for the codes, okay.
He's got the master code set. Can't remember exactly what it is, but I'll text you what it is, and then you can change it from there.
Okay, right.
So the master code and then the 4-digit code that he picked are both the same.
Okay.
So you'll need the master code to change the code.
Right, yeah. Yep, okay.
So I'll text that to you. If you got any other questions, whatever, just holler.
Okay.
Sound good?
I think that's about it, man.
All right, buddy. Thanks, man.
Fuck, I appreciate it, guys. Take it easy, drive safe. Woo! Come here, come here. Come here, check it out. Woo! What do you think, dude? This is insane. Let's check out some of these drawers. Let's check out this power drawer. Look at this. Go under here. That's how you open that. Wow, dude. I thought this whole thing, they might have switched that, changed it, but it's like just a little button on the bottom. That's kind of nice. Look at all the room, dude. This is also why I wanted the Cornwell, was to go with the deep drawers. Oh my God, this is amazing. Holy fucking shit! God damn, scared the shit out of me, dude. Woo! Oh my God, Nah, I've been putting my shit together. Fucking, yeah. Fuck, dude, my fucking heart went in my ass, man. Dude, I'm just like, is my fucking box moving right now? And I just see a black figure, and I'm like, what the fuck, dude? Woo! Oh yeah, dude, that fucking got my blood boiling now. Fucking A. Whew. What are you doing? You going to a road call or something? So, for the most part, we are complete and transferred and fully moved in. Now, is this how I'm going to stay organized? Probably, but we'll see. Yeah, I kind of have a lot of sockets for only being just a little over a year. It's kind of crazy, guys. Still gonna figure out the hutch. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the shelves. Probably take a couple of them down and keep a couple up, but God, I'm absolutely loving this thing, guys. Wrenches. Pliers. Torque wrenches, oil filter wrenches, cutoff wheels, wire wheels, drill bits, yada yada yada. Ratchets. Ratchets extend. Wow, English. Ratchets extensions. Inglés. Por favor. Hammers, punches, chisels, files. Picks, screwdrivers. Honestly, should probably put that in the plier drawer. Or yeah, probably plier drawer. Just tool bags at the moment. Blow molds. Power tools. Junk drawer. Snack drawer. Gotta get some more snacks. Electrical drawer. And then just chemicals and whatnot for what we got at the moment. Power crib. Still got to figure this thing out. Got all the drawers, shelves still in here. I got my air tools in here at the moment. Got all the chargers in here. Got the grease gun down there. Creeper, service cart, stool. That's probably gonna have to go on this left side here. Wow, looking nice, looking nice. I love it. Woo.